Bring your interiors to life with vibrant greenery that energizes every corner and transforms ordinary spaces into lively sanctuaries. Fresh foliage enhances mood, purifies the air, and adds effortless elegance to modern homes. Here are the most stunning aesthetic indoor plants you'll love to grow. Prayer plant Maranta leuconura is a mesmerizing indoor plant celebrated for its strikingly patterned leaves that fold upward at night, resembling hands in prayer. Its delicate oval foliage showcases vivid green hues with contrasting veins, creating an eye-catching display. Perfect for shelves or low-light corners, it adds elegance and texture to interiors. The plant's nightly leaf movements bring a sense of life and rhythm to your space. Beyond aesthetics, it improves air quality subtly. With moderate watering and indirect sunlight, it flourishes gracefully. Its compact, lush growth makes it an ideal decorative companion for modern homes, radiating tranquility and charm. Calathea orbifolia. It dazzles with its oversized, round leaves adorned in striking silver and green stripes, instantly catching the eye. Its foliage exudes sophistication, making any room feel serene and stylish. Perfect for tabletops or corners, it adds texture and elegance without dominating the space. The plant's gentle leaf movements bring life and calm to interiors. Known for its air-purifying qualities, it enhances both aesthetics and wellness. Its slow, steady growth encourages mindful care. With consistent humidity and indirect light, it thrives beautifully, offering a lush, ornamental presence. A true showpiece for indoor greenery enthusiasts. Swiss cheese plant, Monstera deliciosa, is a striking aesthetic indoor plant admired for its bold, split leaves and tropical presence. Its dramatic foliage instantly adds character and modern elegance to interiors. The plant grows gracefully, creating a natural statement piece in living rooms or offices. Large glossy leaves reflect light beautifully, enhancing visual depth. It symbolizes freshness and contemporary design. Easy to maintain, it suits both beginners and plant lovers. Its climbing habit adds vertical interest indoors. This plant pairs well with minimal decor. Overall, it delivers lush beauty, calm energy, and timeless indoor appeal. Anthurium andrinum is a stunning indoor plant renowned for its glossy, heart-shaped leaves and vibrant, long-lasting flowers. Its striking red, pink, or white spathes bring bold color and elegance to any interior, making it a natural focal point. The plant thrives in bright, indirect light, enhancing its lush foliage and vivid blooms. Compact yet dramatic, it works beautifully on tables, shelves, or as a floor statement. Anthurium adds a tropical, sophisticated touch while subtly purifying the air. Low maintenance and ornamental, it blends beauty and function, offering a vibrant, luxurious presence that elevates any indoor space effortlessly. Swiss cheese vine, Monstera adansonii, is a charming aesthetic indoor plant celebrated for its unique, perforated leaves that resemble living art. Its cascading vines add dynamic texture and movement, making it perfect for hanging baskets, shelves, or plant stands. The vibrant green foliage brightens interiors while creating a tropical, airy atmosphere. Adaptable to indirect light, it grows vigorously with minimal care, rewarding attention with lush, trailing stems. This plant complements modern and bohemian decor alike, adding depth and natural elegance. Beyond beauty, it subtly improves indoor air quality. Swiss cheese vine offers a playful yet sophisticated touch, making any space feel alive and refreshing. Bird of paradise, Strelitzia reginae, is a striking indoor plant admired for its bold, tropical foliage and exotic, crane-like flowers. Its large, paddle-shaped leaves bring dramatic height and architectural interest to interiors, creating a resort-like ambience. Thriving in bright, indirect light, it adds vibrancy and energy to any corner or room. The plant's upright growth habit makes it perfect as a statement piece in living areas or offices. Low maintenance yet visually impressive, it combines elegance with a touch of the wild. Bird of Paradise transforms ordinary spaces into lively, luxurious retreats, bringing both sophistication and tropical charm indoors. Philodendron Hedraceum Brazil is considered a highly aesthetic indoor plant due to its striking variegated foliage and graceful trailing habit. The heart-shaped leaves display vibrant blends of lime, yellow, and deep green, creating a naturally artistic appearance. Its cascading growth adds softness and movement, enhancing shelves, hanging planters, or tabletops. This plant adapts easily to indoor conditions, thriving in indirect light with minimal care. Its fresh, tropical vibe complements modern, bohemian, and minimalist interiors alike. Beyond beauty, it contributes to a calming atmosphere, making living spaces feel lively, balanced, and inviting with effortless ornamental appeal. Boston Fern, Nephrolepis exaltata, is a lush, elegant indoor plant known for its feathery, arching fronds that bring a soft, natural texture to any space. Its vibrant green foliage adds freshness and vitality, making interiors feel more serene and inviting. Ideal for hanging baskets, shelves, or plant stands, it cascades beautifully, creating a graceful visual impact. This fern thrives in indirect light with consistent moisture, rewarding care with dense, healthy growth. Beyond its ornamental appeal, Boston fern subtly improves indoor air quality, promoting a healthier environment. Its timeless charm and delicate fronds make it a perfect aesthetic addition to modern homes. Chinese money plant, Pilea peperomioides, is a unique and charming indoor plant admired for its round, cone-shaped leaves that radiate from slender stems, creating a playful, symmetrical appearance. Its compact size and striking form make it perfect for desks, shelves, or windowsills, adding a touch of modern elegance. Easy to care for, it thrives in bright, indirect light and responds well to occasional watering, making it ideal for beginners. Beyond aesthetics, it symbolizes prosperity and good fortune, making it both decorative and meaningful. With its cheerful presence and minimalist appeal, the Chinese money plant brightens interiors while radiating positive energy. Fiddle leaf fig, Ficus lyrata, is a bold, iconic indoor plant celebrated for its large, violin-shaped leaves that bring instant drama and elegance to any space. Its tall, upright growth makes it a striking statement piece for living rooms, offices, or entryways. The glossy, deep green foliage adds texture, sophistication, and a tropical vibe to interiors. Thriving in bright, indirect light, it rewards consistent care with lush, dense growth. Versatile yet visually commanding, it complements modern, minimalist, and eclectic decor styles alike. Fiddle leaf fig combines beauty and presence, transforming ordinary rooms into vibrant, stylish, and inspiring living spaces. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum wallici, is a graceful and elegant indoor plant admired for its glossy, dark green leaves and pristine white blooms. Its arching flowers and lush foliage bring a sense of serenity and sophistication to any room. Thriving in low to medium indirect light, it is perfect for bedrooms, living areas, or offices, adding both beauty and tranquility. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, peace lily is renowned for improving indoor air quality by filtering toxins. Its low-maintenance nature and timeless elegance make it an ideal choice for both beginners and plant enthusiasts. This plant transforms interiors into calm, refreshing sanctuaries.